Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to download TSB Bank statement in PDF. First, log in to your TSB online banking account. After logging in, go to the Accounts or Statements and Documents section. From there, you can view your bank statements for a specific time period. Select the statement you need and download it in PDF format. If you are unable to download your statement online, you can visit a nearby TSB branch and request a printed copy from a teller. Security tips. Always be careful when using third-party services to download bank statements. If the downloaded PDF has restrictions that prevent editing or merging, you can use tools like Microsoft's PDF Merger and Splitter or the Print to PDF feature to remove those restrictions. Software such as PedFear can also help with adding notes and merging PDF files. By following these steps, you can easily download your TSB bank statement in PDF format. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.